What up, everyone? It's Kuya Dylan back at it again with the 240. We worked on it over the weekend. I apologize for not filming. I was just with my friends, which big shout outs to Nunez, Andrade, Sam, James for all coming out, helping me throughout last weekend, switching all these parts out. Now the car's running better than she was before. And I'm going to show you everything that we did, show you the engine bay as well. So let's get to that. All right, first thing that we did is we did the fuel pump, which is in the back under here. So we switched that out. We had to siphon out the old gas as well. We put some new gas in it because that gas was sitting in there for 3 years. Here's the things that we switched out, which is the fuel filter, the distributor, the spark plugs, and the fuel pump. So those 4 things we switched out. We also switched out the battery. We got new terminals on them as well because they were corroded. So new battery, bigger battery. The distributor is located right here. We swapped that out, had to retime it. There's some tick marks down below on your main pulley, and that's how you zero it out and everything. So we did that. Then we did the spark plugs. That's in here. We did all 4 of those. And then the fuel pump as well. Or fuel filter, my apologies. So we switched out all those things within the engine bay. Now it's running a little bit better. And the last thing that we put on over the weekend, let me get this off, is we put on a new hood. We got a vented hood. I will repaint it and everything, and it will come match that black. So we swapped that out. Yeah, old hood's right there. What's up, Paul? And now I'm just fixing up these wheels so you guys can see. Whoever had this before me like wrapped it, did and whatnot. And my friend Nunez gave me this wheel, so big shout out again to Nunez. Appreciate that, brother. Those are the fronts. We're gonna pick up the rears. I just have to take off all that stuff, and it's machine gun metal gray. So those are gonna look sick. Get rid of these stock wheels. They're gonna look really sick. And we're gonna show you a few parts that I picked up as well over the weekend. So we got the valve cover gaskets right here. And then I'm gonna get some more gaskets and whatnot. So we bought some of those. We bought a new thermostat right there. So we're gonna do that, which means I need to drain out the coolant again. So I bought some coolant as well, because now I have to drain that a bit to get to there. And what did we buy here? Oh, this is a thermostat, sorry. And then this is just the radiator cap. All right, oh, because it was cracked, the radiator cap, so I had to replace that. Then, once that's all settled and we have our new gaskets in, because we saw a little bit of oil in the second spark plug, so there might be a leak down there, so we're gonna swap those out. And then I'll be able to put seafoam in the gas tank and in here for the oil to clean it up. That's a little update of what we did. Little update of what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put on the wheels. Once I clean that up, we gotta go pick up the other 2 gaskets, place the gaskets. We'll do that this weekend. And the thermostat. So we're gonna do those 3 things over the next weekend. That'll be the next video. I'll try to record that. I apologize again for not recording, changing these out, but we're just grinding all weekend and doing that. Oh, got some new boards on the wall. I don't know if you guys can see that. Day One song. And then we got a Santa Cruz up there, so appreciate that for my dad. He got me some boards to hang up on the wall, which is pretty cool. Make the garage look a little bit better. And then after we change all that out, I'm gonna buy some. The next thing will be the bracket seats in here. Shout out to my friend Peter and forgetting his name on top of my head. Sorry. But, oh, Hector, sorry. So sorry, Hector. Shout out to Hector and Peter. Got NRG seats. We'll put that in here. Swap out these old ones. And I'm thinking about doing delete in the back. Back seat delete. Manual carbon fiber. Just straight down. Tell me what you guys think. Should I do that? Should I reupholster them? Should I get leather seats back here? What should I do? And then we're also trying to get the manual kit coming in pretty soon. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for following. As you can see, the build is happening. Slowly but surely it is happening, getting better parts little bit by little. So all the fuel stuff is done. All the fuel stuff is down. Now we're gonna do the cooling with the thermostat and whatnot. Maybe do a new radiator down the line, but first just get it up nice and running. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching this build come alive. So I appreciate it. Remember, keep it sideways, keep it safe. Peace out.